If I walk on this, the door will open. Ready? Go. The door opened. If I walk on this, the door will open. The door opened. The door closed. The door opened. This is a bridge. This is wheat. Perhaps I need more wheat. I am going to pick it. I got some wheat. I got some seeds. I am getting a lot of wheat. I am getting a lot of seeds. I have a lot of seeds now. I am going to plant some seeds. That is sand. This is dirt. I am planting the seeds. Sound. I hear sounds. I hear the sound of planting. I hear the sound of walking. I hear the sound of bubbles. I am hitting a watermelon. I hear the sound of hitting a watermelon. I broke the watermelon with some seeds. I have a little bridge. I will pick some sugarcane. Start. I am picking sugarcane. Why? Why am I picking sugarcane? Because I need sugarcane. Why? Because. Why? Because. What is that? It is mud. What is this? It is my house. If I walk on this, the door will open. If, will. See? The door opened. Perhaps I will open my chest. I have a lot in my chest. I am putting a lot in my chest. I see a lot of sand. I have a lot of bamboo. I have a lot of sugarcane. I have an iron sword in my inventory. I have a crafting table in my chest. I have wheat in my inventory. I see some pumpkin seeds. I need more. I want more. I can get more. Can. I can get more iron too. I have some white carpets, a stone hoe, a flint and steel, some gold, some logs, some copper, some gunpowder, some saplings, some planks, one stick, some shears, some watermelon, and some fences. My chest, my inventory. So I will plant some azaleas. If I walk on the pressure plate, I will open the door. I open the door. Why? Why did I open the door? Because I wanted to plant some azaleas. The ocean is very big. There is a lot of water. There is a lot of coral too. I am going to jump in the water. I jumped in the water. Now I am underwater. I can see bubbles. I can see my boat. I cannot, can't. I can't see a squid. I am going to jump in. Ah! Dangerous. I need to crouch. I am hungry. I need to eat. I am going to eat some watermelon. I am eating. I ate some watermelon. I am crouching. I am swimming underwater again. I will swim on the magma again. I am crouching on the magma. It is not dangerous. I can breathe. I am eating underwater. I can see a lot of bubbles. I can breathe underwater. I am crouching on magma. The ocean is dangerous. Magma is dangerous. I am on land again. I can see mud again. So, now I am going to plant some azaleas. Flowering azaleas are beautiful. I can see the jungle now. The jungle is very big. The trees are very tall. This is my big bridge. I made this bridge. Whoops! I fell in the water again. My bridge is very short. Why is my bridge short? Because it looks cute. This is dirt. I am getting some dirt blocks. I need to go up. I can't breathe underwater. I will use the dirt blocks to plant the azaleas. I can't plant azaleas in sand. The bamboo looks very tall. See? I'm walking on the bridge. There are a lot of torches. My boat is red. I like that color. Jump, jump, jump. Perhaps I need some dirt now. I need some food too because I am hungry. The sand is very hot. Who is that? That is a trader. What is this? It is a llama. There are 2 llamas. So, who is that? That is a trader. I like llamas a lot. I am planting an azalea again. I will plant every azalea. I will plant all of them. This azalea has no flowers. I am running and jumping. I am planting every azalea. I like azaleas a lot. The desert will look good. I can see the sun. I like sunset. Sunset is very beautiful. Those are some clouds. There are a lot of clouds in the sky. I can hear the llamas. This is the jungle. That is a tall tree. I heard the trader too. Hear, hearing, heard. I hear the trader again. I am planting every azalea. I am eating watermelon. I was hungry. I ate watermelon. I planted all of the azaleas. The ocean is big. I can see the coral reef now. This is a river. Not an ocean, a river. The water is cold. The water is blue. A cold, blue river. So, I am going to jump in the river. Ouch! That was dangerous. I can see some seaweed. I am running and jumping. I am going to the jungle. I will pick this sugarcane. I got it all. I can see a lot of grass. I see a lot. I heard a cow. This is the river. I will get more sugarcane. The sugarcane fell on the grass. Fall, falling, fell. I picked all of it. Hello, cow. How are you? Are you well? I want a cow. Come, cow, come. I fed the cow. The cow will come with me. I heard the cow again. Mrrr. He isn't coming with me. I am not happy. The sunset. It is night. It looks very beautiful. There are clouds in the sky. I can see a lot of stars. I like stars. Stars are beautiful. The stars in Australia are very beautiful. The cow isn't coming with me. Why? Because it is night. I saw some cactuses. Cactuses are dangerous. I will break the watermelon. I am hitting it. I broke it with wheat. I will pick the wheat. I will pick more wheat. I can hear bubbles. I like bubbles. I am getting more wheat. I got more seeds too. I am planting some seeds. I want a big boat. I can't have a big boat. I tilled the soil. I got some wheat. I planted some seeds. The door opened because I walked on the pressure plate. This is my crafting table. This is my chest. If I open it, I can get some sand. This is a big chest. I opened it. I have some fences. I have sand. I will make some... What will I make? Perhaps I will make some bread. I need wheat to make bread. I made some bread. I made some bread. My house. I am hungry. I am eating some bread. I am not hungry. I removed the torch. I placed it again. This is my furnace. Good night.